This is Bluebonnet Electric Cooperative. In the year 2014, we celebrated 75 years of providing safe, reliable, and affordable power to our members in 14 Central Texas counties. 2014 also saw unprecedented residential, commercial, and industrial growth in our service area. A new substation in Caldwell County, keeping Bluebonnet ahead of the growth we have and the growth we know is coming. The unveiling of a new website that provides a new look, new feel, and an outstanding level of service for our members and employees. A new SCADA system for our control center that increases our reliability and efficiency, which helps keep the lights on. And expanded volunteer and community awareness efforts with a focus on breast cancer awareness and those serving in our nation's military forces. In 2014, the big story for Bluebonnet was the phenomenal growth in the service area. The oil boom has been a big driver of growth. Bluebonnet built 45 jobs for a variety of oil companies in Burleson and Lee counties. To capitalize on this growth and protect our membership, Bluebonnet focused on two strategies: hiring contract labor for jobs. That enables Bluebonnet to quickly adjust resources based on the number of jobs scheduled. It also insulates Bluebonnet from fluctuations in the oil market. And financially, through our line extension policy, oil companies are paying the cost up front to build the infrastructure needed to serve them. Again, so if the companies change their drilling plans, those changes will not have a negative financial impact to Bluebonnet members. Another 25 jobs are in the works, and oil companies tell us they're planning for dozens more in the near future. The year 2014 also saw several large commercial members open businesses in the Bluebonnet service area. These businesses are important because their demand for electricity is constant. This constant load means higher kilowatt-hour sales, which benefits all Bluebonnet members. The home building boom in the Bluebonnet service area continued in 2014. Bluebonnet completed 2,790 member-requested jobs, up 18% from a year ago. While growth is a challenge for many utilities, all of the smart planning by Bluebonnet during the past 10 years is paying off. The growth is here, and we're ready for it.
2014 was a pivotal year. This growth, whether it be residential, commercial, or oil and gas, has been beneficial. It has been beneficial to all of our members. It has been beneficial financially, operationally, and from the reliability aspect of our electric system.
So 2014 is a turning point. It's a year in which we're going to move from preparing for growth and planning for growth to where we're actually serving a new and more dynamic membership that brings its new challenges and new opportunities.
Bluebonnet added a new substation in 2014, the Clear Fork substation near Lockhart. The new substation is the first to be built in the Highway 130 corridor. There are projections that thousands of homes and many commercial developments will be built along 130, and this substation helps Bluebonnet stay ahead of the growth.
It's important right now because we have seen some oil and gas development on the north side of Lockhart, and this substation was built in 2014 to help alleviate the load pressure on that substation and for the projected growth here on 130.
Since 1939, Bluebonnet has grown to be one of the largest, most progressive, and technologically advanced utility companies in America. And in late 2012, we decided we needed a new website. After a year and a half of research, discovery, viewing, and testing, Bluebonnet's new website was rolled out in 2014.
It was a complete overhaul from our, if you compare it to our old website. We redesigned it so that it had a fresh new look, so that it represented Bluebonnet from a progressive and technologically advanced co-op. We've provided our members with an array of new, we call them self-service features and capabilities. So whether it's coming through a drive-through, whether it's calling in, or whether it's going online to do their business, we're just giving these members different ways to interact and do business with Bluebonnet.
The website is 24/7. They can pay their bill, they can view their bill, they can view their energy tracker and find out how much they used, when they used it, and what the temperature was for that day or any given hour. They can request service information from us. They can request new service. They can request to change a name on an account. It's much more convenient and gives them more options.
The control center provides 24/7 operation of the entire Bluebonnet system. Work on power outages, routine maintenance, and emergency operations are handled here. In 2014, Bluebonnet finished installation of the new Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, or SCADA system. The new SCADA system allows better communication and reporting and helps our employees fix any problem safely.
Safety is very important for Bluebonnet and its members and for all the employees of Bluebonnet. The new SCADA system, with its ability to control devices, helps in a situation with crews working on the lines. We're able to put devices in abnormal state to help protect the individuals working on the line.
There are 6 foundation values that guide all that we do at Bluebonnet. First on that list is safety. It's first because safety is caring about our community and our employees. It helps us do a better job, especially in the middle of the night when we've got to climb a pole to keep the lights on. One of the most important safety advances in 2014 was the addition of a fall restraint device. It's designed to strap around power poles to keep a worker from falling.
Anytime that we can perform a job safer, it is going to make us more reliable. It's going to increase our overall responsibility to the organization as well as our members. We don't have to worry about our guys becoming injured while working in a storm in the middle of the night or any time during the day. That's one of the reasons I think it has been so well received.
Another of Bluebonnet's foundation values is community, our commitment to member and community service.
The organization does care about the community, and having that tie with the community makes it feel a little bit more special. People enjoy working for an organization that is out there helping others. So one year we focused on children. The last year was on the elderly, and this year a lot of our committee felt passionate about the military. One of our first events was a food fundraiser that was held here at HQ, and we sold baked potatoes, and those funds were then sent off to the Wounded Warrior Project. Later on in the year, we decided to go ahead and ask all of the employees to send in recipes so that we could create a cookbook where we could send the proceeds on to support the troops over the holidays through care packages. Both of the fundraisers raised over $5,000.
Another community commitment in 2014 was pink. Increasing our commitment to breast cancer awareness, we handed out pink ribbons in our member service centers. Bluebonnet's vehicles were adorned with pink ribbons, and our crews donned pink hard hats.
We absolutely do, and we're proud to have them on our truck. In addition to the pink ribbons that we put on all of our equipment, our big burly guys also have pink hard hats, and they're not ashamed to wear them. We are so committed to our organization and the community to show support for things that are terrible, such as breast cancer. We're not one bit ashamed of showing it.
Working for Bluebonnet, we are more than just an employee there at the co-op. We are actually members of the community. So when someone comes into the Member Service Center and a rep is helping them with a problem that they have, that might be somebody that they go to church with. That might be somebody that they're related to. That might be a friend or somebody they've seen in the grocery store. Same for the guys out in the field. When they are going in the middle of the night and restoring someone's power, it may be somebody that they know. It may be somebody that they're related to, but for sure it's somebody that they care about.
And 2014 was a landmark year for Bluebonnet because it marked our 75th anniversary. After 2 years of research and interviews, we were ready for a big and fun celebration, including articles in Texas Co-op Power magazine.
We had stories and timelines and lots of pictures telling the history of the co-op from the very beginning all the way to today. And we had a lot of fun with that because it allowed us to talk to a lot of people and get their stories about how electricity changed life forever for families who lived in rural Central Texas and in the Bluebonnet area. Bluebonnet has a special place in our members' lives and hearts anyway, but to be able to celebrate our 75th anniversary with them was particularly fun.
2014, a year of unprecedented growth, new technologies, and community involvement. A landmark year celebrating the first 75 years of exceptional service for Bluebonnet Electric Co-op.